Okay, well, here we are again. Last time I went for a ride, this camera ended up being pointed right at the handlebars the entire time, making for spectacular footage. It is just before noon, and it is right in the neighborhood of 40 degrees. Okay. Now I discovered using the outside microphone, there is nothing but horrifyingly loud static the entire time because of the wind. Oh, cold, girl, cold. Come on, baby girl. There you go. Di says it's too cold to go for a ride today. She wants to stay asleep in the garage. But anyway, as I was saying, that microphone it's just exposed right to the wind. There's nothing to cover it or protect it from the wind noise, so it's basically pointless to put it on that microphone because all you get is the wind noise. So instead, I'm just going to leave it on the intercom microphone. See if I can avoid dumping my bike out from under me on this icy patch here. And I'm going to endeavor to just shut up this time because I have a habit of talking to myself when I'm riding and when I'm recording. That means you listen to me talk to myself the whole time. So here we go. And hopefully I don't run out of gas before I get to the gas station, because that would suck. I don't have my extra gas on me. And sorry for the wind noise, but until I can get going, I need to keep my visor part way open because it's fogging over. And it isn't helping. I've got the cold weather gear for speed and I'm getting a little sweaty in here, so it's trying to fog up worse than normal. But hopefully it'll go away once I get moving and I can close the visor. I have to say, I kind of enjoy some of the looks you get from cars going the other way when you're riding a motorcycle when it's really cold out. I don't know if you could see on the camera, but that guy in the blue car going the other way was looking at me like, what the actual hell are you doing? This corner is probably the scariest corner on this road when it's cold because it very seldom gets sun. As you could probably see, it's wet. And last time I came through on the bike in this corner coming the other direction, I actually slid on the ice. So you gotta keep your eye on it in here. This is literally the most sun this piece of road gets all day this time of year. And I can feel it's about 5 degrees cooler in this stretch than it is anywhere I've been so far. And on top of that, it's a totally blind curve. And people are used to doing 70 through here, so they don't like it when you slow down for cold weather. But as you can see, there's ice right next to the road. So it's not warm here by any measure, and I can see it glittering right here. So slow down. He'll probably pass as soon as we get up here on the straightaway anyway. Here because it's cold. Clear off. Oh, the joy of clearing your visor with wind is that wind's probably 35 degrees and it's right on my fogged up visor and nose. intersections in this town. They seriously can't understand why they have such a problem with people running lights in this area. But then the light turns green and you get 2 cars through. And then you sit there for 10 minutes waiting for it to change again.